Hello doll fans, welcome back to Sadie Autumn. And today we are going to be unboxing this 28-inch Barbie doll. I just got it, so I cannot wait to box open it. Let's start box opening it now. I think I'm gonna start over here. Okay guys? We're just gonna start right over here, right through the middle. That's usually how we start. Right through the middle, okay? Yeah, just like that. It's how I box open my stuff. I already got a cut. This is awesome. You guys see my cut? I already got a cut in box opening this. So you guys need to be careful when box opening. It's very easy to get cuts when box opening, guys. Trust me. Ugh. This is honestly so cool. I didn't think that the box opening was gonna be like this. Ooh. I see the head already. Oh, I need to be strong for these types of things. Okay guys, this is so cool. Time to finish box opening this doll. Let's start. Ooh. Oh goodness. This is so hard. Oh goodness. I love her lips, they're very glossy. I think I should be ripping the sides a little bit more. Oh. Oh, goodness. Whew. Okay, guys. Let's finish this box opening once and for all. This is like one of the most interesting ways to box open. Seriously, it is. Someone said, because it's like twisting, like you're twisting like this. Someone said that was an interesting way to box open. Someone likes. It's a very interesting way to box open. I totally agree with them. And I was not expecting the doll to be in here like this. Oh goodness. That was a crazy. Not all box openings are the same, depending on where you get the doll. Like if you get it off Amazon, the doll unboxing might be a little more. It could be either easier or more difficult. Because I know that if I would have gotten this doll somewhere else, I know that the box opening would have been a lot more harder. Because they had this exact doll at the 99-cent store. This exact doll. And this doll is from Just Play, so thank you Just Play for sending me this. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate Just Play. Quite impressive. Oh, goodness. Okay, we've also got to open a little bit on the sides. Oh yeah. So we got the doll out, guys, on the bright side. And you guys are probably like, okay, great, you got the doll out, so now what about the box opening? You guys are probably thinking. You see, I know that this doll is different from the box opening at the store, because the box opening, they had this doll at the store, and it was much more expensive, and it was much more harder to box open. I already have one of these guys, by the way. I've already got one of these dolls that's this size. This is my second doll this size. When I was little, I had an Anna doll. I had an Anna doll that was 32 inches, so taller than this. It was bigger than this. So my Anna doll was bigger than this, guys. It was 32 inches, I believe. So that means bigger than what this doll is, which I think is crazy. And you see in the box opening in the store, her shoes were off. Her shoes were to the side. They wanted you to put on the shoes. So yeah, I'm glad that I got it off of Amazon, because the box opening on Amazon is so much more easier, guys. You have no idea. So this is the doll. She's gorgeous. Like, literally gorgeous. I literally love this doll so much. And you guys don't see the face. I'm gonna lift the camera a little bit higher so you can see the face. If you guys like the doll, you guys comment down below if you like the doll or not. Okay guys, so now that you see the doll a little better, we're gonna take off her pigtails. As you can see, she has got pigtails on. This doll is amazing. This doll is like a god. We're gonna see how our hair comes out. Let's see. Wow. This is doll. This is so cool. So this is the doll. And then I've also got another doll her side. Exactly her side. I guess this one's a little smaller. Maybe because she's got like the ponytail. But I mean, it's still pretty much the same thing. So this doll is a little shorter by just a little bit. But that's okay though. It's because of the ponytail. This is the Star Power doll, and this one is different because it's not the Star Power doll. This one is not the Star Power doll. This is the holiday one. Oh, oops. Oh goodness. Oh. Okay, yeah, this one is a little taller, just by a little bit though. So I'd say this one is like 30 inches while this one is 28. But they were still pretty close when they said 28 inches. So I've got to give them that. Well, this doll is 27, so maybe this one's 28 or 29. But yeah, that's how tall this doll is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Sadie Autumn. We're gonna keep on making videos. And we're also trying to get like these cool. You guys are gonna like when I say this. We're trying to get like these cool different backgrounds. For like the background for like a play or something. Oh, look at that! She's got a scrunchie for the play. For like a play that I'm doing like with my dolls. And by the way, when my mom ordered this, she had no idea that it was this size. So I was shocked. So she never even knew. She was so mad when she found out that she ordered another 28-inch doll. Well, it's too bad for her because I'm gonna be starting to collect these. These are honestly amazing. They're so posable and they're so cute. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to, what you call it again? Sadie Autumn. Bye! Look, the Barbie's even saying bye. Bye, guys. Seriously, bye.